Okay, so it's time for another Shiba Inu update, and this one is interesting. Now, we're going to talk about the current price. We're also going to talk about a new exchange that kind of flew under the radar that just added Shiba Inu out of the Netherlands. And we're going to take a look at Robinhood and what their future plans look like for crypto. Now, Robinhood hasn't come out and said they're going to add this coin, this coin, and this coin, but what we're hearing is exactly what I predicted on this channel, is that once Robinhood's IPO got settled and they're performing well and they're out of the woods in terms of lawsuits and all that sort of stuff, that they're going to focus their attention on crypto. Well, we got news today that that's exactly what they are doing. And no, I don't know the CEO Vlad or anybody at Robinhood, but it just makes sense, right? Because we're seeing these traditional stock tailored platforms like Webull, right, move closer and closer to crypto. Look what PayPal has done. Look what Cash App has done, okay, and all of these various other brokerages. It just makes sense, right? People understand that it is the next big thing, right, in the financial branch, if you will. So we're going to talk about what Vlad actually said in this video, how it relates to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. I think there's going to be something there for both assets. Of course, I own both. I talk about both quite a bit here on the channel. And we'll play a little game, and I'd like to, kind of put this out to you, knowing that Robinhood is going to be focusing more on adding assets. Drop in the comment section, do you believe they're going to add SHIB? And if you do believe they're going to add SHIB, when do you think SHIB will be added to Robinhood's platform? So we're going to dive into that here in just a minute. Real quick, before we jump into it, we are creating insider-only content as well over at the Patreon and Discord. Of course, once you join here on Patreon, it gets you immediate access to the Discord on either level that you go with. The insider level, though, will have buy and sell trade alerts, hot weekly crypto alerts, portfolio guidance and help, and group portfolio shared access. I was actually just looking at some Discord messages right now coming in. People are in there 24/7. Every hour of every day, they are talking crypto, so you can jump in there and join the conversation whenever you'd please. So let's take a look at SHIB right now, down slightly with the overall market. It's down about 0.36%. I'm not too worried about this. Just poured a cup of coffee too, so that helps. Let me take a quick sip. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, that's the first sip of the day right there. So, but here's the thing. I think SHIB's going to come storming back into the 08s, back into the 09s as soon as this market makes the turn back to the upside. Now we'll take a look at TradingView here, and I promise you're going to want to stick around here. We're going to talk about a future exchange adding SHIB. And then we're also going to talk about this Robinhood article. So exactly kind of what we showed last night. We're still consolidating. We've got our line in here, consolidating in the high 7s, low 8s. Exactly what we thought would happen here. And as long as we don't drop down below this line, I think we're still in a pretty bullish pattern here. We're still, ready to move to the upside once the market comes back. And the good thing is for SHIB, we are adding different holders each and every day. We were at 635,000 late last night, but it was low 635,000. Now we're high 635,000. Well, it'll be interesting to see what happens throughout the day today. My guess is we'll get up to 637 probably by the end of the day. We've been adding about 1,000 to 2,000 holders per day. Now, here's that exchange I was talking about. This is Bitavo, the largest crypto exchange for buying and selling and storing cryptocurrencies in the Netherlands. So they've added Filecoin, Algorand, Avalanche, The Graph, Kusama, PancakeSwap, Axie Infinity, Helium, Shiba Inu, and FTX tokens. So that's pretty cool. We are listed on another exchange, this one out of the Netherlands. So not a lot of people talked about that, I don't think, and I just kind of dug that up on Twitter, found that. Now, this is the big story. Okay, this is the big one. Robinhood doubles down on crypto. 41% of revenue coming from crypto trading. Absolutely insane. So, while Robinhood generated only $5 million in revenue from crypto trading during the entirety of 2020, this number increased to $233 million for the second quarter of 2021. Now, this was part of the big reason why I touted that, hey, Robinhood's going to turn their attention to crypto, that they're making too much money here, and they know they can make more, right? Which type of assets they can make more money with? Well, they made a lot with Dogecoin. What's the second best meme coin by market capitalization? Shiba Inu. That's all I'm saying. Vlad, if you're listening, makes sense, man. Makes a lot of sense. So, all right, so I gave you those numbers here. According to Vlad, the co-founder of Robinhood, a major factor in the increase in crypto trading was increasing participation of female investors in the market. It's also noteworthy that 60% of all funded accounts existing in the platform traded crypto at some point during the second quarter. 60%. A reflection of the increasing relevance of cryptocurrency on the global stage. Now, the Shiba Inu inspired coin account, they're talking about Dogecoin, accounted for 62% of all the revenue generated by cryptocurrencies during the quarter, which would be equivalent to about 140 million. So it was overwhelmingly Dogecoin, right? Now here's the juicy stuff. Robinhood will expand its crypto offering. Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev talked in an earnings call about the company's plans to expand its crypto offerings by including the listing of more crypto assets, nice, addition of interest and rewards features, and the development of a crypto wallet, something that a lot of Robinhood investors want. Now, I actually still have some crypto on Robinhood. I've actually liquidated a bunch of stocks over there. So I've got 2 full Ethereum over there and about 2,500 Dogecoin. And I'm just being out in the open here. 2,500 Dogecoin and about 25 cents per pop. And Ethereum right around 3,000 per pop. I've got 2 of those over at Robinhood. Up until this point, Robinhood users have been able to have their Dogecoin transferred, have not been able to have their Dogecoin transferred to an external wallet. Oh, no, they have been. Despite Dogecoin support having been added to the platform back in 2018. I think there's a typo there. They haven't been able to. And in fact, a public shareholders questionnaire showed that the most asked question was, is Robinhood getting a crypto wallet? All right, so no specifics were offered in regards to what coins would be added in the timeline for the development of the features. However, he says, I know there's been a ton of enthusiasm from the crypto community and the Dogecoin community, in particular in getting access to wallets. Adding that integrating a wallet was tricky to do at scale. It has become apparent that buying and selling cryptocurrency using the app is not enough for Robinhood's users, which could result in users migrating to other cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase or Binance to interact with crypto in a more flexible way. And then they go on to say that traditional finance platforms are racing to integrate crypto. So I expect Robinhood to move quickly on this. Now that the IPO has passed, they're performing well in the stock market. I think now they turn their attention to crypto, and I think it's first going to be adding the external wallet, then more assets. Let me know your thoughts down below. What are the first assets that are going to be added to Robinhood? Man, how big would it be? Shiba Inu gets added to this platform. Knowing what Dogecoin has brought into Robinhood in terms of revenue, staggering numbers, and I think SHIB could do that and potentially a whole lot more down the line. So hopefully you got some value out of this video. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Want to hear from you in the comment section too.